What you do every day is creating your future, because the secret of your life is hidden in your daily routines, and you can never change your life until you change the habit you do daily. So in this video, I'm sharing with you 3 habits that will make you a better person and even make you a millionaire. Number 1, read every day, at least 10 pages a day. Get books to read, relevant books that will help you in life, that will make you a better person. It is often said that the more you learn, the more you earn. Those who know better always do better. So commit to learning by reading every day. Just 10 pages a day is going to put you ahead of your peers. Number 2, exercise every day. It is very, very important that if you want to stay strong and stay fit with high energy, then you must exercise every day. It could just be 30 minutes of running or walking or jogging, some push-ups. Just make sure you exercise every day. It will keep you fit and strong, and you will always have high energy to be able to embark on every task. So commit to exercising every day. Number 3, pay attention to your circle, because you are an average of the people you surround yourself with. Surround yourself with people who have the same goal, the same drive, who are even better than you. This is going to 10x your productivity, and it will put you ahead of many people. So pay attention to your circle. Be intentional with the people you keep within your circle. If you pay attention to these 3 things I've shared with you, you'll be ahead of many people, and this is actually going to make you a better person in life. And this habit is actually going to make you a multi-millionaire. I hope this blesses you, and I'll see you at the top. Stay safe and bye for now.